Hey everyone, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have these Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops right here. So these are our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops for the day.
Perfect.
This is the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku right here. Special edition number 668 right here. And this one is the Super Saiyan Vegeta Final Flash 2019 Fall Convention Limited Edition Vinyl Funko Pop number 669 right there. So this right here is our Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku number 668 right there. So our figure right here is almost as powerful as the God of Destruction Beerus for the Universe 6. After Goku reached the Super Saiyan God status in terms of his power after fighting with the God of Destruction, which is Beerus, he began training with the God of Destruction, Beerus, so as to expand his power even more. So this is what he had unlocked after training with Beerus, and this is the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku right here. So you can also call him Super Saiyan Blue for short. And he hasn't surpassed Beerus in terms of power, but he is really way up there. So the Super Saiyan God status is now knocked off the top, and it is now been toppled by this one right here, the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku right here. So you can see that our figure has a really blue or sky blue hair along with his eyes right there. So usually when Goku transforms into another form, he usually have matching color for his eyes and his hair. The same shirt, the same pants he's wearing forever, and those wristbands right there, that is still the same. So as you can see, the stance right there is really good, since Goku is really from a good martial arts training background right there. So this represents power in its simplest form. I really like the simplicity of the design right here for the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku right here. So again, this is our Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku number 668 right there. So this one right here is our Super Saiyan Vegeta Final Flash 2019 Fall Convention Limited Edition Funko Pop right here. So Vegeta is always on a course to expand and level up his powers as well, right? So after a long journey of fighting and training, Vegeta decided to go and train using the hyperbolic time chamber. This is where warriors like him train, and the goal always is to expand and level up your power using the shortest time possible on that specific chamber right there. So Vegeta, in all his might and power, invented this one, the Final Flash attack right there, which is a great energy wave and really a powerful attack from none other than Super Saiyan Vegeta right here. So Vegeta have used this, the Final Flash right here, on initially the full form of Cell, and as well as Cell Jr., as we have seen on the Dragon Ball Z saga. So our figure, in contrast with the Super Saiyan God Goku earlier, he retains the Super Saiyan hair, the yellow hair right there, which really pops out. It really looks good. Perfect. Vegeta has matching eyebrows. He has yellow eyebrows as well. And he's still rocking the blue and white Super Saiyan armor right there. He also have those pronounced green eyes right there. On the front, you can clearly see what the figure is all about, the Final Flash right there. So that is the energy wave I was talking about earlier. That is what our figure is preparing to fire right there. So that is the Final Flash attack from Super Saiyan Vegeta right here. It is really a formidable attack. This one really can damage your opponent right there. So again, this is the Super Saiyan Vegeta Final Flash attack 2019 Fall Convention Limited Edition number 669 right here. So there you go, guys. These are our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figures for today. This is the Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku right here. Special edition vinyl Funko Pop figure number 668. Perfect. And this one is the Super Saiyan Vegeta Final Flash 2019 Fall Convention Limited Edition Funko Pop number 669 right there. So I hope you like both of our unboxing right here for our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops. I really like the color in this one. They really both bounce back off each other right here. Sky blue and really pronounced yellow hair right there. Good combination every time. So I really like both of these figures right here. These are powerful figures. In terms of the Dragon Ball Z saga. So they are also really exciting to watch when they fight each other, right? So which line of vinyl Funko Pops do you collect, guys? Which one do you like the most? Which ones are your favorites? Please share with us and comment it down below. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell right here. Select all so you get notified when we upload another one of our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our other normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. Perfect. That's been it. Again, happy holidays, guys. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.